Alright, so you pull up for the parking brake, and you press the accelerator, hold it, and then key on, key off, and then key on.
You hear that noise? That was that e-brake doing this thing. So
right now it's just active now, and then don't forget to pump the brakes.
does it give you a message on the dashboard?
Yeah, but it's already off.
It already went off, yeah.
Yeah, but it's good to go now.
All right. Well, let's do it again though. Let's.
Right.
It's the same thing to do it on and off.
Yeah.
All right. Disengage.
Disengage.
Bruh.
So you push down,
Hold it.
hold it, and then hold the accelerator, and then key on, key off, and then key on again. And should be telling you park brake maintenance mode.
There it is. That's how you get into maintenance mode, so you can do your rear brakes.
And again, then you pull up for the parking brake. You gotta turn it off. So pull up, accelerator, key on, key off, and then key on again. It should go away.
All right, and that was it. So basically, to disengage so that you can do the work on your brakes, you're gonna hold that parking button down and the accelerator down, and you're gonna cycle on off twice, right? On the push to start. You're not gonna start the car, just cycle through it on off twice, and you should get the message up here that lets you know you're in maintenance mode. And then when you're done, to engage the system again, you pull up on the parking brake button over there, and the whole time you're holding that up, you're also holding the accelerator down, and you're cycling on off again on the push to start, and you'll get the message on the dash letting you know that your system is engaged again. If you don't do that, you won't be able to, well, I actually don't know what happens, but you're gonna f up, and you probably are not gonna be able to get the back brakes off or something, because it's electric parking brake. So that's what you got to do. Quick little undershot so we can see what Brian's doing down here. The rear disc green plug, full plug. Wait, that's not the.
quick.
Shit, torque right there. Give it the beans. There it is. Perfectly torqued down. No. It's actually a good little shot right here. Slides right in there. Black plastic piece right there is a deep brake system that needs to be disengaged before you can do your rear brakes. I'll show you the cheat code to unlock that. Jelly on the pin. They don't have this tool. That's alright.
Snowball. Snowball. Whoa. Cool. The giant snowball is fine. Whoa. That's with so much snow.
These are the little caps, little dust covers for the
Snowball.
guide pins.
Whoa.
Plastic, Ford Tough. Let's see what this other one look like.
Yeah, look how big the
Yeah, this
snowball
one's
is.
kind of.
Look. I got it.
Spring. There it is. All done. Let's slap the tire back on. We'll be right back.